naghihintay ako kahit wala pang mapala. Ito ang aking tula para sa'yo ko nilikha. Ang mapaibig sa iyo, di ko yung sinadya.
You know, sometimes it's hard. You don't even know what's gonna happen next. Pero, ganun talaga. Minsan di mo mapapaliwanag pag umiibig ka. But it happens though, you know? It happens to you too, I know. But I wanna tell you this, girl. Just keep on smiling and keep your head up.